How to make purple berry bridge mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cube. Then you have to pour lemon juice. After that, you have to pour cranberry juice. This is the 2-layer base mocktail you can try. Then you have to pour 30 ml of strawberry crush. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake all the ingredients properly, shake well, and take another type of fancy glass and pour all the mixture into the fancy glass. Then you have to add some more ice cube for the layer. Then you have to pour pineapple juice. See, this is the 2-layer mocktail. After that, you have to take another glass and add 10 ml of blue Kuroko syrups. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of grenadine syrup. Then you will get the purple color. After that, you have to pour soda. Then pour soda. See, the purple color came. And slowly you have to pour the mixture on top of the glass. See, this is the 2-layer mocktail is ready. Purple berry mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my